Oh, hello guys, we're back to my video. So today we're going to play Tower of Jump again. So, anyways guys, welcome back to my channel. So, anyways guys, if you like my videos on the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, anyways guys, we're going to upload my new video. So, anyways guys, I'm gonna get a new map. So please get a new map. So the music. So if they get a new map, the music's about that. So anyways guys, only got 71 now. So come on, new map, please. The timer's gonna be 1 month, 1 minute. Come on, I'm gonna wait until that second timer comes. So I'm gonna wait until the timer comes. So and they will just give so they will just get a new map. So I'm gonna wait until the new map comes. So it will get a second or or 50 or 100 seconds. Or 10 seconds I think is. Come on, new map. New map, Jack. New map, please. New map. Please, new map. New map, please. New map. Where are you? Okay. I'm gonna keep busy. Come on. Come on. Oh wait, I can't see. Oh my god. It will take an hour. It will take an hour. Come on. Where's you gonna beat that game? We're going to beat this game, guys. Come on. We're going to beat this game for a level. If I fall, then I'm gonna get in trouble. So if I fall, and I'm gonna skip it from now on. So me and this a girl. It's just a little girl right now. So anyways, we're going to beat that game. You fall. So me first, okay? Me I'm going to just win first. I'm gonna win first for 4 seconds or 4 minutes. Okay. So I need to beat that. I don't want to fall. If I fall, then I'm gonna just review. Okay guys, so we're going to run. So this is the United States. Oh, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Come on, the story is 3 minutes, I guess. Come on. 72 guys. This is the easiest game. Guys. So I'm just gonna jump, so I'm gonna just do like this. So I'm gonna keep her from now on. Come on, I need to dance with you. Hello. Okay. So I need to just go. No, it's so hard. Oh, no. Come on, it's easy. You should just do like this. Come on, you should just able to do this, guys. Come on, girl, the player. Come on, you should gonna able to do this. I'm gonna help players like this, okay? Those look like this, okay? I'm gonna just beat this game, alright? Come on, girly the girl, man. You look like a carrot. Some point of this, haha. Okay, so I need to beat this game. Okay, yes. Oh, come on, this the easiest game. Keep easiest game. No. Come on. Oh my god. Wow. Come on. Come on. Bro, you almost fell. You almost fell. Running out of time. Bro, you're so silly. Oh my god, no. No, I accidentally fall. Oh god. How? How did I just fall? I'm not going to fall. But I just fall. Oh, there. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, so me and Verlan go to there. Why? Little top. You win. Why you win? Okay. So I need to just go out for a second. I think you blocked them, huh? Okay. Okay, that's good. That's the girl I just run. So I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna beat that entire game. So nonsense. Nonsense I think is. Okay. Okay. Don't not fall. Ha ha ha. I just pushed her. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, it's easy. Let me dance with you, okay? How about we clap the hands? I'm gonna clap the hands. Oh wait, I should just get the head on. Okay, so I'm gonna just win. So I'm gonna just go for it. So I'm gonna go down, but I can't go down for a moment. I think it's okay. So anyways, guys, we're almost there. So we're at the winner room. So I'm gonna mess up, huh? I love you. I got cheat. Ha! I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh wait, you. Hey you. Ah. Press the mystic. Press the mystic. Oh my god. No, look at you, silly. Ah. Yes, I win, guys. I win in further, okay? So I'm gonna get wins for now on. For seconds. For 2 seconds or 1 second. 0 seconds. Wait, yes, 0. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. Zero, like, look at the ball. Come on. Come on. We're gonna beat this game. Okay, so honestly, we're going to beat that entire game, so nonsense. So I'm gonna beat the entire game. So I'm gonna beat. Oh my god, that's the mistake. Oh, that's, oh my god, lagging. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. No, no, that is so rude. Wait, okay, come on. Oh my god, yes, that's so easy. Oh my god, jump like this. Okay. Look at you. No! No! Come on, I need to beat this game, guys. We're gonna beat this game. We're going to beat that game. Oh my god, wow. Okay, that's good. Philippines, okay. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna beat that game. Come on. Give me. Oh my god. It will take, 3 minutes. Okay. It will take 3 minutes, I think. Okay, come on. Hey, you. Hey, you password, I'm going. Oh my god. Yes. Oh god, yes, I'm gonna eat. I'm going to beat this game. Hi, look at you. Look at her. You're so annoying, guys. Wait, I'm going to go to her, okay? Look at her. Look. She's walking out of nowhere. Ha ha ha, no. Oh, she left. Wow. Whoa, wait, wait. No. Actually, 4 guys. Oh my god, that's good. I need to just get winner, okay? I need to get win. Wow, guys. So, anyways, guys, I have a question about this. Do you like easy or hard? Let me know in the comments, guys. So, what is a question about this? So, we're going to beat that game. I just beat this game for a while. So, I'm gonna just okay, let's go. I need to beat that game. For non-stopping. For non-stop of pessimistic. What is pessimistic? Of English teacher, I think is. I just did they just told me. Just be donated. Okay, so we're going to record. So we're gonna keep uploading a new video, okay? Oh my god, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, no, pessimistic. No, I just say that. No, 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 I just make farther. I just make farther like that. Oh my god. Okay, I'm pro. I'm a big pro, so that's okay. I'm a pro. I'm a very pro, I think. Come on, come on. We're going to just go for it. We're going to jump. We're going to jump higher, guys. Okay. So here's the gray first. The gray or this gray. brown. Hey, I'm going to go for it. Yes. What the heck? Shut up. You. It's you. Yes. I'm going to push it. Yeah. Okay. Bro, why this spam robot in there? Please, can I sniff your balls? I'm going to sniff your balls. Yeah. Come on. Why they look, or else they will just ban you for that. Why they do like this? So, you shut, bro. Come on, shut up, please. Shut up, please. I don't care about this because they keep on doing this like this. The spam robot should take is around there. So, anyways, guys, we're going to this one into it. So they keep on doing that.
Even though these codes,
Come on, I'm dancing with my turtle.
these numbers are here, it's probably
I don't with that. I don't. Why they just sing bad words? Come on, bro, let me in. Oh my God, did I just kick my game? Who kicked my game? Huh? Let me know in comments. Stop it, please. I wanted to beat that game. The beat that level. Come on, we're going to just do that. We're going to run and also run and jump. Come on, we need that game. Oh my God. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, yes. Yes. I'm gonna beat that game. Oh my God. What the Stigma? What the Stigma? Oh! Why? What the Stigma? God. Take your Roblox account. What? No! What the? Bro, why is it jumping so hard? It will take, I don't, it will take a minute. Okay. Come on. We're going to beat that game. We're going to beat this game. Come on. Come on, we're gonna beat this game. We're going to beat that level. What the Sigma? 3 minutes ago. That's a minion. Minion instead, okay. Yes. I win! 74! 74. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Oh my God. I actually did it. I did it, guys. Mwah. I love you. I love you. I love you too, bro. I love you so much. I love you, bro. Bro, come on. Come on, my bro. Come on. Stop lazy bone like this. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God, what's up, Sigma? I'm gonna help with players for training it. I got training for players to take this. Oh my God. I'm going to jump. I didn't even jump. Mm? Oh my God, yes. Come on. Oh my God. Yes, it's so funny. Did I just, if I laugh, I just laugh at her because she just fall out of nowhere. So anyways, oh my God, just do it. Always. Always do that, guys. You in a bit. In other video. Okay.
but I'm not going to upload this video.
Why? 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 Okay, wait. What are you saying about it? Okay, that is the easiest game in the world, guys. Guys, how about the question? What is the easiest game in the entire game of Roblox? Roblox, I guess. Oh, that's sad. Too sad. It's so sad because I'm pro. I'm a pro, huh? I am a pro for that always because it's easy to just beat this game, guys. That is the easiest game. Oh my god. I'm gonna just do that again. So anyways, we're at the dark blue. The dark blue and stuff, guys. So anyways, guys. Oh my god. I didn't even fall. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need to just go first. Welcome back, alright. Hello. Hey! Hello. Hey, yeah, the guy looks like you. Oh my god, they look like twins. Okay. Smell my butt. Smell my butt, please. Hey! Stop playing. Hey, why are you clapping my hands? I love you. Hello. I'm going to. Can you join me, please? Can you upload a new video? Hey, you're twins, right? Come on, you are twins. You're robot twins. You're robot twins. Come on. It's a robot. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. I'm going to go for it. Goodbye, guys. Oh, joking. Okay. That's good. I'm gonna go for it. Me first. There. Okay. I need to wait until the second. Or 10 seconds, I guess. 10 seconds. Yes, me first. Me first. Me first. I'm gonna beat that game. Ah! No! Oh, wait. Oh my god, why there's so many players in there? No. There's so many people in this game. In called players. Player in there. So I know it's go. Oh my god. Shit. There's some people. Okay. So here's the gray, I think, or red, or orange, I think. Let me know in the comments, guys, what I just played in a new video, guys. Only got 17 minutes, guys. Those is this game. Me first. Yes! Yeah, we're at the twins now. Yes, we are still pro in this. We are so pro. Yes, we're so pro. Come on, I need to beat the yo. Come on. Oh, mama. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, okay. Come on, you're going to beat that game. You're going to beat that game for non-stopping. Okay. Okay, that's good. So, anyways, guys, I should just jump like this, or farther. Hey, player, what do you do? Why am... What the thing? I'm flying. I'm flying! Guys, I'm flying towards the sky. When I learn, don't need the sky. When I will learn, you know the block. When I want Help! Help! Why do you just talk like that? You guys are just stuck. I just stuck like purple. Hey, you. Beautiful player! Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful player. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't do it. Come on, boy. I sorry. Weird. I'm stabbing on you. Goodbye. No. I'm lagging without this. Far we go. We go. Can I stop? Come on, stop like this. Did my character stop? Oh! Oh, I just go like this. I swear I got. Okay. I need to just wait until timer comes. What is timer? Timer comes. touching. Oh, not touching it. Okay. Come on. What am I flying? I'm flying in air. Why I'm flying, guys? I'm flying. Why there's a visible wall there? So, anyways, guys, there's invisible. So, I'm not gonna lie. Do not fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Oh. Come on, I'm gonna beat that game. Yeah. Yes. Yes, we're going to the top. I'm going to fly away. Hey, you. Hey, yo. I call you the current location. You're beautiful. Hey, can you jump? I love you. I love you at all. Come on. Mwah. Please, you're beautiful. Hey. Come on. Come on. Please. Come on. Come on, please. I'm your beautiful. Come on. Come on. I love you. I love you. Please. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Carla Carson. Oh, hey, kasi. Ding, ding. Come on. Steamer comes. Steamer comes, yes. I'm gonna beat that game, guys. That's good, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it went so late. I just went. No! Come on, it will take a late for no one. Please. It will take a long time since we just get a light. It's so late. So late. Come on. Come on! We're going to beat this game. When I'm easy. Oh my god. Oh my god, why am it's so hard. What the heck? Bro, why am I so late? Because it's when in 3 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Oh my god, I went so late. I went so late. Yes. I went so late, guys. I went so late. For do that. Okay. So that is cool. So I'm gonna end up there. So anyways, guys. So goodbye, guys.